What we see when we look at our infrastructure is as important as how that infrastructure functions. This project, the Bridge of Land and Sky, proposes that all infrastructures are valuable to the expression of the landscape, places, and activities of the people they serve. This bridge functions to serve our transportation needs as well as our desire for a better-looking and engaging environment. The project influences the form of a typical highway overpass bridge and transforms the bridge into a gateway, a memorable event, and a point of community pride. The bridge deck is designed with a series of laser-cut, undulating panels that register the changing light that is connected to the landscape surrounding the bridge, thereby heightening our sense of Oregon's landscape. If we are renovating a bridge that we are going to have to look at for the next 75 years, isn't it worth going the extra mile to transform that bridge into a presence that is memorable in our daily activities? The bridge is programmed with a series of light shows that slowly fade in and out across the surface of the bridge panels in low light and at night. Working with the City of Hillsboro Parks and Recreation, Cultural Arts Division, and their Transportation and Planning Department, as well as the Oregon Department of Transportation, and a team of structural engineers, lighting designers, fabricators, and contractors, we addressed the renovation of the bridge by changing a code-driven safety barrier into a dramatic register of changing environmental conditions between the earth and sky, bringing us joy and creating a significant place for its community and its users.